Welcome to this complete Ibiza Spain guide. Immerse yourself in the enchanting allure of Ibiza, a gem in the Mediterranean that effortlessly combines breathtaking beaches, pulsating nightclubs, and intriguing historical sites into a unique blend of magic. In the course of this guide, we'll be unveiling 10 must-see spots that encapsulate the very essence of Ibiza. From quaint towns to vibrant markets, serene beaches to world-renowned clubs, we've got it all covered. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey through Ibiza. Our first stop is the enchanting Ibiza town, also known as Dalt Vila. This historic town is more than just a pretty face, it's a UNESCO World Heritage site, brimming with history and culture. As you wander through its narrow, cobbled streets, you'll feel as though you've stepped back in time. Dalt Vila is home to some of the oldest structures on the island, including the Cathedral of Our Lady of the Snows, perched atop the town, overlooking the crystal blue Mediterranean Sea. Its history dates back to the Phoenicians, making it a true testament to the passage of time. But it's not just about the history. From the top of Dalt Vila, you're treated to a stunning panoramic view of Ibiza. The vibrant blue sea, the lush green hills, and the bustling town below create a tapestry of colors that is simply breathtaking. A trip to Ibiza would be incomplete without a visit to the charming Dalt Vila. Next up is the mysterious and majestic Esdra. This rugged, uninhabited rock island, jutting sharply from the azure Mediterranean waters, is cloaked in a tapestry of legends and myths. Some say it's the last visible remnant of the lost city of Atlantis, while others believe it to be the home of sirens and sea nymphs trying to lure Ulysses from his ship in Homer's Odyssey. No matter what you believe, there's no denying the captivating power of Esdra, especially as the sun sets. The sky paints a breathtaking canvas of hues, a spectacle that fills the soul with awe and wonder. It's a sight that's etched in the hearts of all who witness it, a timeless memory of Ibiza's enchanting allure. And so, as the day ends and the sun dips below the horizon, we're left with the silhouette of Esdra standing tall against the twilight sky. Esdra, a place where mysteries meet beauty. Our next attraction is the breathtaking beach of Cala Compt. A beach like no other, Cala Compt is a spectacular sight to behold. It's the kind of place where you can kick off your shoes, sink your toes into the warm golden sands, and let the world drift away. Imagine the feeling of the sun warming your skin as you lounge in the soft sand, the gentle lapping of the crystal clear water against the shore providing the perfect soundtrack to your relaxation. The water here is so clear it's like looking through a pane of glass, revealing a world of vibrant marine life beneath the surface. And when the day winds down, there's nothing quite like witnessing the mesmerizing sunset views that Cala Compt offers. The sky, a canvas of warm hues, casts a golden glow on the tranquil waters, creating a truly magical spectacle. For beach lovers, Cala Compt is a little piece of paradise. Welcome to Playa Den Bossa, Ibiza's longest stretch of sand. This sun-kissed paradise is more than just a beach. It's an energetic hub of activity both day and night. Imagine the sun rising over the Mediterranean as you dance to the beat of world-class DJs at one of the many beach clubs. Bora Bora and Ushuaia are two names that echo in the air, known for their vibrant parties that start under the sun and continue until the moon takes its place. But the allure of Playa Den Bossa extends beyond its pulsating nightlife. During the day, the beach transforms into a playground for water sports enthusiasts. From jet skiing to paddleboarding, there's an activity for every thrill seeker. And for those looking for a more laid-back experience, numerous beachfront restaurants and bars offer a place to relax and soak in the scenic beauty. So, whether you're a party animal or a leisure lover, there's something for everyone. Playa Den Bossa, where the party never ends. Now let's travel to the bustling town of Sant Antoni de Portmany. This vibrant locale is a mecca for those seeking the quintessential Ibiza experience. First off, the Sunset Strip. It's not just a road, folks, it's a spectacle. A parade of colors that dance across the sky, bidding the sun farewell. It's a sight that will make you feel like you're in a dream, with the backdrop of the Mediterranean Sea adding to the magic. Now, what's a trip to Ibiza without a little taste of its lively nightlife? Night owls will feel right at home in Sant Antoni. The town buzzes with energy as the moon takes the sky, its rhythm beating in sync with the music pouring from the numerous clubs and bars. And let's not forget the beaches. Picture pristine sands meeting clear azure waters. A perfect place to soak up the sun and unwind. Sant Antoni de Portmany, a town that knows how to enjoy life. Next, we explore the vibrant Las Dalias hippie market. A kaleidoscope of color, culture, and creativity, this market has been the heart and soul of Ibiza's bohemian spirit since its inception in the late 1950s. Stroll through the labyrinth of stalls and you'll find a treasure trove of unique items waiting to be discovered. From handcrafted jewelry, vintage clothing and artisanal food products, to eccentric art pieces and quirky home decorations, there's something to catch every discerning eye. But Las Dalias is more than just a marketplace. It's a celebration of life, pulsating with energy and filled with the hum of lively chatter, the rhythmic strumming of guitars and the intoxicating aroma of street food wafting through the air. It's a place where the mundane transforms into the magical, where every corner reveals a new surprise, a new story. Las Dalias Hippie Market, a shopping experience like no other. Let's now venture to the serene Cala Compt. Nestled in the northern part of Ibiza, this bay is a symphony of nature's best, with a coastline etched by craggy cliffs, a sandy beach that tickles your toes, and turquoise waters that seem to whisper secrets of the deep. The bay is also famous for the Sunday drumming sessions, which have become something of an institution. As the sun begins to dip into the horizon, a rhythm starts to pulse, growing stronger with each passing minute. Drummers from all walks of life come together to bid farewell to the day, their beats echoing across the bay, creating a vibe that's both energetic and soothing. And it's not just about the drumming. The relaxed atmosphere invites you to sit back, breathe in the salty sea air and lose yourself in the beauty that surrounds you. It's a place where time seems to stand still and the only thing on your agenda is unwinding. Cala Compt, where tranquility meets rhythm. Our penultimate destination is the idyllic island of Formentera. A tranquil haven, a short ferry ride away from Ibiza, Formentera exudes a charm that's entirely its own. This is a place where the sands are as white as the smiles of the locals who greet you. Here you'll find long, pristine beaches that stretch out to meet the crystal-clear Mediterranean waters. It's like a painting come to life, with the palette of the sea changing from azure to turquoise as it kisses the horizon. The untouched nature of Formentera is a sight to behold, with the island's natural parks and salt pans creating a unique, rugged beauty. The atmosphere is remarkably peaceful. There's an unhurried pace to life here that's utterly infectious. It's a place where you can take a deep breath, immerse yourself in the natural beauty and just relax. Formentera, a paradise away from the hustle and bustle. We end our journey at the iconic Pacha Ibiza, a place where the rhythm of the night takes over and your soul dances to the beats of world-renowned DJs. A staple of Ibiza's nightlife, Pacha has been setting the standard for the ultimate party experience since 1973. Here, every corner whispers tales of legendary performances and unforgettable nights. Pacha is not just a nightclub, it's a phenomenon, a culture in itself. It's where music enthusiasts and partygoers from all over the globe come together to celebrate life. The pulsating beats, the mesmerizing light shows, the energy of the crowd. It's an intoxicating mix that guarantees a night of revelry like no other. And let's not forget about the cherry logo, a symbol that has become synonymous with fun, freedom, and unforgettable memories. So if you're looking for a night to remember, Pacha Ibiza should be on your list. Pacha Ibiza, where memories of a lifetime are made. So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the enchanting Dalt Vila, marveled at the mystical Esdra, lounged at Cala Compt, danced on Playa Den Bossa, explored the lively Sant Antoni de Portmany, shopped at the vibrant Las Dalias hippie market soaked in the sunset at Cala Compt, day trip to the serene Formentera, and partied at the iconic Pacha Ibiza. I hope this guide has inspired you to pack your bags and explore the beautiful island of Ibiza. Until next time, safe travels.